Ready?
Everybody
We're not firing you. Ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pleasant. Happy birthday to you.
Don't touch them, they're very hot.
Sure tried.
I'm trying my best to blow them out.
Yay!
Oh, don't touch them. Okay, one ring for Claire, one ring for Addison, one bow for Claire, one bow for Addison.
I get one bow for me.
Yeah,
Delaney, no, the girls get their
Claire,
rings,
Addison,
okay?
give that one to Claire, and you get a bow and a Barbie. Okay? Do you want
Otherwise-
everybody gathered on the side here for one group picture?
Yes.
Oh, that was pretty.
That's very pretty.
And let's maybe pull the table out a little bit.
I don't want it.